Today's news about Japan. First one, Mitsubishi Motors announced the closure of the one plant. Over. I'll talk about later detail. TVs and PCs sells well because more and more people stay home to work and watch TV. So semiconductors sells well and manufacturing equipment also sells well. Fine. We as Proba got 50 new clients since April. Wise government. Great. About Mitsubishi. Partly because of the coronavirus. And many say poor strategy with fine tech. But we remember in 2002 the tire of a Mitsubishi truck slipped off and hit a mother and two children. The mother died. A defect of the product caused this trouble, but Mitsubishi hid it and tried to impose responsibility on the transportation company with the truck, asserting low maintenance caused it. The company president fought to uncover the fraud. This fight became a book and a movie.